To show you the moderation tools, I have loaded a preloaded board, as the tools change slightly when people are interacting with your bulletin board. Over on the left, we can see the name of the board. Below this, we then have the names of all participants within the board. If you have used pseudonyms, these will appear first and then their real name will be in brackets next to it. We also have their role, their messaging activity, when they last saw the board, and when they last posted an answer on the board. If you wish to send them a message, you can do so by clicking on the envelope here. The messaging activity column provides us with some additional information. You can click on the blue hyperlinks within that column and you'll be taken to all posts left by that respondent in the board. If you click on the blue hyperlink in the last seen column, it will show you some information about how they joined the bulletin board. We can see their browser, their device, their IP address, and the exact date and time they'd last joined. The hyperlink in the last message column will take you to the last post made by that respondent. I will go through the messaging centre in a separate video. On the right, we have some more helpful tools. The View Discussion button allows you to enter the board and view the questions and answers left. Edit board details will allow us to make changes to the details of the board, such as the title or name of the board. Edit board content is where we can edit our content loaded into the board or add more. Manage board participants is where you can add participants to your board. View statistics allows us to see different statistics about respondents. Here we can see each section of the board and we can see the questions within the section. We can also see how many respondents have answered these. You can also view individual statistics by each respondent. On the right, we can use the envelope icon to send a message, or we can select multiple respondents and use this button here to send to all the respondents selected. The media report and statistics report is where you will go to retrieve your reports once the board has finished. Retrieve participant links allows you to access the invite links for participants. This may be helpful if you have used dummy emails, as this is how you can retrieve the links to send to each respondent individually. We can also resend the invitation emails. To do this, we need to select who we want to send it to and click Next Step. This will then allow us to edit the invite and then send it. Lastly, we have the option to delete the board, but there is no fail-safe for this, so avoid clicking unless absolutely necessary.